26th February right now. I didn't mess up the date because it is 3 minutes past 12. I'm on Bangkok airport now. I'm not going home yet, but I'm not planning on going home soon. So today I am flying to the Philippines. I've arrived in Cebu. I have a 5-hour layover and I had a 5-hour flight here from Bangkok. Before that I started in Koh Samui and then I had a 15-hour boat and bus ride. So I am tired now. I'm going to an island called Siargao. It's apparently good for surfing, and I'm kind of worn out by jumping around between islands in Thailand the last couple of weeks. So man, I'm so tired. I was hoping to go surfing, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. I've checked in, I've already organized the motorbike, so hopefully tomorrow I'll get to surf some waves. I've got a motorbike with like a side rack for the surfboard. I'm paying 300 pesos per day, so I don't even know what the currency is like yet, but I hope it's a decent price. I'm gonna end this video here, so hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see tomorrow's video, so then I guess I'll see you tomorrow, bro.